Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Mahek Upadhyay, currently a legal internet taxation company. Today's topic of discussion is virtual hearings and courts. As the world is dealing with the pandemic, so our country India, there was uh, there was a nationwide lockdown imposed, so that we shut it down all the entities and institutions, so as the courts. As a result, the physical way of interactions between the judges and the lawyers were completely halted. Our legal delivery system was shut down. No one could approach the courts to demand justice. The number of cases were continued to increase, but no one could do anything because judges cannot entertain the cases. The Supreme Court started dealing with urgent matters via virtual hearings, but the lower courts were not doing nothing. It was still in August, where the first virtual courts were launched by Punjab and Haryana High Court. That was the beginning of virtual era of our Indian courts, proving that Indian courts uh, can up can adapt itself according to the situations the courts are dealing with. So this virtual hearings and things really help the people to approach the courts virtually. Even they can file the cases online, and they need not to go anywhere. They just need to connect the courts, and they easily can interact with the judges and the lawyers or the clients in the same way they used to do it in physical mode. There must be some connectivity issues, there must be some network issues with the proceedings, but yes, that could be the most suitable and apt way to deliver the justice in this lockdown, where no one can move freely on the roads to just uh, they can approach the physical court. So, but there are people alleging judges and lawyers for these to be some publicity stunt, or to be in the light. But the profession of a judge always remains a noble profession. They always keep shut keep themselves shut from the social gathering, just as to prevent any kind of controversies on their part. So as to maintain the dignity of their profession, so they are maintaining that dignity even through the virtual courts as well. However, there are live proceedings of these virtual hearings, but that doesn't mean that the privacy that the judge should have has been breached out. It's all maintained, even, and it has been reflected in his speech of our Chief Justice, and we recommend that virtual courts are virtual courts are the best way to serve justice in this pandemic. His words during the inauguration ceremony of the live streaming of Gujarat High Court was, he said that live streaming is important for the dissemination of information as a part of Article 19 of the Constitution. So he compared the right of a person to demand justice, which is a fundamental right of a person, with the live streaming. Means he said that live streaming was the best way to let the person enjoy his fundamental right to demand justice. He even said even after pandemic ends, live streaming would demystify court proceedings uh, for for court proceedings, and will convey the message that courts are for the people. He further added lack of direct access could give space for misconception, and so live streaming is the best remedy for it. However, if people think that the virtual hearings could replace our physical mode or physical courts, and the answer is no. This misconception was also cleared by our Justice T.Y. Chandrachud in some speech in April 2020, by saying that idea behind virtual court system was not to replace physical courts, but it was just to show the flexibility of the Indian judicial system to ensure that access to justice was not denied even during the hardest time. So nowhere virtual courts are to replace the physical courts, nor they are to to put a stigma on the dignity of a judge or a lawyer or the legal profession. They are just to serve the justice, to protect the fundamental right of a person to demand justice. That was all behind the idea of the courts and the virtual hearings. To If you have any suggestions or any some more thoughts, do comment in the comment section, like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.